我今次嚟咧就係因為我10年前搬嚟嗰陣時咧，我個租金係625蚊，佢每一年咧即係都加50蚊，但係到而家咧就加到我100蚊，所以即係而家就我個租金仲差唔多同我個收入平衡啦。
When I first moved here, my rent was around $625. At first, the rent was raised $50 every year, but later on, it started raising $100 every year. So now, my rent is basically as high as my income.
所以今日
起身啦，起身
唔好意思，所以而家我有個問題就係、想請問你哋呢個喺政府擔任個職務，擁有唔同嘅職權，對於呢個非 RSO 嘅租戶，特別係嗰啲受低收入住房嘅抵免計劃同埋城市契約合同約束嘅租戶，你哋各自計劃如何實施同埋推動長期租金嘅漲幅？喺從8%到10%，每年即係對我哋而家我哋個困難有咩幫助呢？
Each of your roles comes with different powers in the government. What are each of your plans to implement or promote long-term rent caps that are lower than 8 to 10% for non-RSO rent stability ordinance tenants, especially those under city covenant contracts or LRHTC? How will your plans help us?